Hello, sweet peeps. It is Friday, July, I don't know, what, 10th, 11th, 2020. We just had a storm. We had a funnel cloud come through here. My corn is laying down. Potatoes laying down. Well, not much left of the lettuce anyway. It got fried from the UV and the high temperatures. And the canopy that I had built for the tomatoes, gone. Well, it's here. It's just not the way it looked an hour ago, but we're safe. Everybody's good. And I think we got some more storms on the way, but that tomato's sad. Hopefully we'll make it through. Stay safe, everyone. Much love.